When you first begin a journey, you never know what to expect. But you can expect the unknown. It's the funny thing about life. It's a journey without a map. There will be obstacles and bumps on the road. Sometimes they'll close doors. People will say no. But you must ride along. You must ride, and live. Feel the light. Alone. Feel the power. Make your own way. And when others follow a trend, change direction. Because you are in control. So be gentle, be kind, but always aim high. And enjoy life's twists and turns, even when it's rough. And even when you find roadblocks, just remember, there's always a way, a detour, to construct a new way. Move against the current, against the grain. Follow your instinct, your gut, even when your legs are tired and trembling. When you feel right on the ledge and you think you can't go no more, get on your feet. No matter how tired you are. If you're going through it, smile. And I know sometimes you want to give up. I mean, you really want to give up. But that's when you gotta look back. And remember to enjoy the view. Because what's behind you, your path, is what made you who you are now. But it's up to you to make the future. Be determined. Be persistent. Be passionate. Inspire others. And don't ever give up. Don't ever give up. Believe. Have blind faith that everything you dream will become a reality. And just when you think you're falling behind, when everyone's leaving you behind, Try harder. Push yourself. You'll catch up. Even when you're ignored, be kind and try harder. And when you finally make it to the top and your goals are becoming what your imagination dreamt, breathe and enjoy. Smile. Because even then, now they will want what's yours. Eat from your dream.